In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bundles on your Shopify store using Kaching Bundle quantity breaks. Bundling products can be a fantastic way to increase your sales, offer value to your customers, and move inventory more effectively. If you've never used Kaching Bundle before, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step, ensuring you feel confident and ready to implement this strategy in your store. First things first, you'll need to have the Kaching Bundle app installed on your Shopify store. If you haven't done so already, head over to the Shopify App Store, search for Kaching Bundle Quantity Breaks and click that Install button. Once it's added, make your way to the dashboard of the app. Here, you'll find a user-friendly interface where you can start creating your very first bundle. Next, click on the Create Bundle button. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your bundle. Keep in mind that this name will be visible to your customers, so choose something appealing that reflects the products included. After naming your bundle, you'll be asked to select the products you wish to include. This is where strategic thinking comes in handy. Consider choosing products that complement each other or ones that are frequently bought together. This not only helps in clearing out stock but also increases the perceived value for your customers. Once your products are selected, it's time to set up the quantity breaks. Essentially, quantity breaks offer discounts based on the number of products purchased. In the Kaching Bundle interface, you'll see options to define various tiers. For instance, you might offer a 10% discount if a customer buys 2 items, and a 20% discount if they purchase 3 or more. Adjust these tiers according to what works best for your store and your profit margins. With the basic structure of your bundle in place, it's time to customize the appearance to better fit your store's design. Navigate to the customization settings where you can modify colors, fonts, and even add custom images to make the bundles more engaging. This personal touch can significantly improve the user experience for your visitors. After fine-tuning the visuals, make sure to review your settings. Double-check that the products, discounts, and appearance are all in line with your original plan. Once everything looks good, hit the Save or Publish button to activate the bundle on your store. Before you conclude, take some time to test your bundle. Visit your store's front end, add the selected products to your cart, and ensure that the discounts apply correctly. This is crucial to ensure a smooth checkout experience for your customers. Lastly, remember to market your newly created bundles. Promote them through email newsletters, social media channels, or even on your homepage to attract attention. Bundles are a compelling offer, and with effective promotion, you can drive significant sales growth. That's all for today's video on creating bundles using Kaching Bundle quantity breaks. I hope you found it clear and helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.